What's up, guys? Happy Monday. Happy Labor Day. Hope you're at home doing a whole lot of nothing. Unlike myself. Because you know what Labor Day means, right? Labor Day means you don't work at your real job, but you just gotta work a whole lot more on other stuff. Whether it's housework, kids, or SR20, or in my case, I'm doing what I've dreaded for a long time, and I'm cleaning up. Not super excited about it, but it's got to get done. So let's put you guys up in the corner and let's make this fast. All sorts of parts. We got a manifold gasket, turbo gasket. Go up here to the part shelf. Throttle body gasket. Those little washers for like the oil drain and stuff like that. These I recommend to anybody changing the turbo on the SR20. This is the lock pins to prevent the nuts from falling out. I got 2 of them. Spark plug. More spark plug. T-clamp. Random. I got more clothes out here. So many spare parts. Okay, now I highly suggest a junk drawer. I actually keep this one full of random bolts and washers and stuff like that. Because when I go to the track, this whole top comes with me. It fits right in the trailer really nice. Excuse me. And that has saved a few buddies out on track. So I like keeping that extra spare stuff in case they would need it. 2 gaskets, an ACV gasket, so we're somewhere. Kinda half-assed looks better. I'll degrease the floor here and over there where the oil pan was leaking. But it's better. I actually have a bench now. So I'll do that. That's all trash. I almost gagged when I smelled inside that cooler. Gross. So I'll get the can over here, dump all that in the trash. And we'll start on the 240. Alright, after that fiasco, got the oil all cleaned up now. Degreaser. I have some black vacuum line. I'm going to swap out that red one and that yellow one. And then I'm going to move something else. But let's start with that first. Alright, now there is some benefit to doing this. It's going to suck to get on, but as you can see, one is a little bigger than the other. Yeah, just what I thought. I'm going to have to take that intake off. He's done. Well, I got her down there quite a ways, so. Get this bright yellow one up. Woo! Okay. Alright, well, after that really sucked, we got that on, black one, the black here. Alright, well, I was going to move that fuel pressure regulator. I'm going to leave that. You can see that's flat now. That looks a lot better. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to black zip tie those heater hoses for that catch can up. I think that really helped out the engine bay. I think that looks pretty good. Go ahead and fire her up here. We'll be back. Well, guys, there you have it. Engine bay looks a whole lot better now. Added some stickers to that here. Been looking for a place for that one, but looks a whole lot better. I'm pretty thrilled with it. You get some more stickers for that, but it is what it is. I do got a bumper rattle. When it vibrates, it's vibrating on the bash bar, getting a little noisy. So, and I figured out when I zip tied this up, it kind of pulled some tension on the throttle cable, so I got to fix that up there, get that figured out. But it looks good. That was the goal for today. Put the black on. That looks so much better than it did before. Now I think we're going to start focusing on the interior. But it's Monday. I want to relax. Not a fantastic video, but you know what I'm going to say. It is what it is. We got you guys wanting to get out of here. You're still watching. You're watching because you're bored. So I am going to stop here, and I'm going to make you get out and work on your car. So you guys have a great Monday. I hope you guys have fun. Let me know what you think of the engine bay. Does it look a whole lot better than it did before? I sure as heck hope so. So I'll get these zip ties off and fix that throttle cable eventually. But till then, we'll let her eat for now. I don't know what I'm going to do on the interior, but something needs done. So I might just flock it. Might screw it. I really like the look of a flock dash. So we'll get that done. And hopefully that looks good. But till next time, have a great Labor Day. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and keep on sliding.